In this video, you'll learn how to create a subscribe form on Mailchimp. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a form that allows users to easily subscribe to your mailing list. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the login section to access your account. If prompted, enter your email address and password, then click the login button. After logging in, you will be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard, where various options are displayed. Next, locate the Automations tab in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Automations, and this will direct you to a page featuring different automation options. Once the page loads, find and click on Forms to proceed to the Forms Management section. After that, you will see a list of available forms. Look for the Other Forms option in this section and click on it. This action will take you to a page where you can manage additional forms beyond the standard ones. Once this page appears, locate and select Form Builder. This tool allows you to create and customize your subscribe form. After clicking on Form Builder, you will be presented with various editing options for your form. Now find the option labeled Sign Up Subscribe Form. Clicking on this will allow you to edit the specifics of your subscribe form. You can customize fields, design elements, and settings according to your preferences. Ensure that you save your changes before exiting the form builder to avoid losing your progress. It is important to keep in mind that if you are working with a large number of subscribers or complex forms, the loading times may increase. Additionally, check that you have sufficient storage in your Mailchimp account to accommodate your subscriber list, as this can affect your ability to add new contacts. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.